Dear student, welcome to EPG Pathshala. Today we are learning hydropower generation. In this we learn the following objectives: understanding the history and basic of hydropower, to understand the role of solar power through water cycle in generation of hydropower, explain the component of hydroelectric power plant, explain the advantages and disadvantages of hydropower plant. Hydropower is green renewable source of energy which can be generated again by using water power. This water power is in the form of potential energy of water cycle. This energy is stored in the reservoir by constructing a dam across the river, and this potential energy is transformed into the electric energy in hydropower plant. Hydropower is renewable source of energy. Hydropower stations use the potential energy of water when it falls due to gravity. Water and movement of water is a part of water cycle. The force of moving water can be extremely powerful. India is ranked 5th in terms of hydropower potential in the world. It is mainly spread on 6 major river systems. Dams are constructed across the river for hydropower generation. Hydropower is a form of solar energy. Hydrological cycle explained by Bernard Palissy. It explains the non-stop movement of water on, above and below the earth's surface. Water travels from one source to another, from river to ocean or from ocean to the atmosphere and back by vaporization, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, surface runoff and subsurface flow. This cycle extends from an average depth of 1 kilometer in the lithosphere to a height of 15 kilometer in the atmosphere. Dam and reservoir. A reservoir is an artificial lake constructed by making a dam across river to store water. It can also be formed on natural lake by constructing a dam at lake outlet. Catchment area. Catchment area is the area of land from which water is drained into river. Catchment area act like a funnel and all water from this is channeled to a single point into a river. Catchment area are topographically separated from each other by ridge, hill or a mountain. A network of rain gauges is placed to assess water resources of a catchment. Hydropower theory. Kinetic energy of falling water is harnessed to provide electric power. It depends on flow and height of falling water. Two vital factors necessary for hydropower generations are the flow and the head of stream or river. Hydroelectric power is a function of height and volume. Power is equal to head into flow into gravity. Hydropower energy transfer is as potential energy changes into kinetic energy, which changes into mechanical energy and which further transformed into electric energy. Potential energy. Head level is directly proportional to the potential energy. A high dam level would means that potential energy of the hydropower system is very high. Effective head is the difference between energy head at the entrance to the turbine and the energy head at the exit of draft tube. When the volume of water moves from maximum level to the minimum level for a height of h, work will be produced, and it is defined by equation work is equal to force into distance. Kinetic energy. The rotation of vanes convert the potential energy to kinetic energy. The force of moving vane by a jet of water is derived by as the equation of force. Force is equal to capital W small v divided by g into 1 minus m cos theta, where capital W is the weight of water striking the vane, v relative velocity of water with respect to moving vane, m coefficient of loss of velocity moving across vane, theta is the angle of deflection of the jet from its original direction. Hydroelectric power plant. Hydropower plant consists of three parts: a power plant, a dam and a reservoir. Mechanism of power generation. To generate electricity, water from the reservoir allowed to flow through the large tube called pencock. The fast moving water spins the blade of turbine at bottom of the pencocks. The turbine are connected to generator to produce electricity, which is transported via huge transmission lines. Dams. A dam increases the head of water or height of water and control its flow. Dam release water to generate electricity, and excess water is released through special gate called spillway gate during heavy rainfalls. The higher the level of water in a reservoir, the more will be available potential energy for electricity generation. Oldest known dam is Java Dam in Jordan, constructed in 3000 BC. It is 9 meter in height and 1 meter wide stone wall supported by a 50 meter wide earth rampart. Kalanai Dam is the fourth oldest dam in world and still serves the people of Tamil Nadu. The dam was constructed by King Karikalla Chola of Chola dynasty in 2nd century AD. Head and flow. The amount of electricity generated in a hydropower plant depend upon head and flow of water. Head is the distance of water drop from highest level of reservoir or dam to the point where turbine installed. A high head need less water flow than a low head plant to produce same amount of electricity. Storing energy. Hydropower plant has ability to store energy, as water can be stored in a reservoir and released when needed for electricity production. Storage also makes it possible to save water for high energy demand period and low rainfall such as summer. Power stations. In India, power stations, turbines and generators convert the kinetic energy of water into electricity. A hydropower plant may have more than one power station. A spillways release water from power station back into a river, stream or lake. It is a channel designed to slow the water back to its normal speed. Size of hydropower plant. Large hydropower plant. According to US Department of Energy, large hydropower are those which have a capacity of more than 30 megawatt. Small hydropower plants are those hydropower plants which have a capacity of 100 kilowatt to 30 megawatt. Micro hydropower plant are those hydropower plant which have a capacity of 100 kilowatt. A micro hydropower plant can produce electricity enough for a home, farm, ranch or village. Pico hydropower plants are those which have a capacity of up to 5 kilowatt. Major dam of the world are Jingping 1 Dam, Nurek Dam, Great Dixon Uri Dam, Wajont Dam, Mecca Dam, etc. In these, Jingping 1 Dam is highest in world, having a height of 305 meter. It is in China at river Yalong. Major dam of India are Bhakra Nangal Dam, Tehri Dam, Hirakund Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Indra Sagar Dam, etc. Out of these, Tehri Dam is in India have maximum height which is 260 meter and it produce power of 2400 megawatt. It is constructed at Bhagirathi river. Small dam of India like Donkriyal Dam, Ujjain Dam, Chennai 1 Dam, etc. These have very small power generation capacity. Advantages of hydropower energy. It is a renewable form of electricity generation. It is very effective method of converting mechanical energy into electricity. No greenhouse gas emissions takes place. It does not pollute the air like thermal power plant that burn fossil fuels. It can produce electricity on demand by controlled flow of water. It provides clean electricity. It creates reservoir for recreational opportunity like fishing, swimming, boating, etc. Other benefit may include water supply and flood control. Disadvantages of hydropower are: the reservoir flooded a large piece of land, leading to loss of farmland, residential area which need shifting of people in new homes in new areas. Due to submergence of areas, there is loss of flora and fauna and disruption to animal, plant and aquatic ecosystem. Migration of fish is stopped by construction of dam. A minimum flow of water in downstream of a hydropower plant is required for survival of riparian habitats. Filling of reservoir of large dam has triggered seismic activity. Sedimentation of silt at bottom of reservoir decreases soil fertility in riparian land. In this lecture, we learn what is hydropower and how it works. What is hydrological cycle and what is its role in hydropower generation? What are components of hydropower plant? How the hydropower is produced in hydropower plant? What are advantages and disadvantages of hydropower? Hydropower is green energy having its own advantages but with some risk like loss of land, shifting of people, loss of habitat and change in aquatic ecosystem. Therefore, these issues must be carefully considered and mitigated. Thank you.